Take a look at this crispy fish fry. Golden, spicy and perfectly juicy inside. Today I'll show you exactly how to make it at home. I'm using fresh tilapia fish. Clean the fish well. Ingredients. For this recipe you'll need 4 whole fish cleaned and scored, 2 teaspoons chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, salt to taste, 2 teaspoon oil, curry leaves, garlic cloves. Combine all the spices with oil to make a thick paste. Clean the fish well and make deep cuts so the masala can penetrate inside. Coat each fish evenly, making sure the masala gets inside the cuts. Marinate for at least 30 minutes. For deeper flavor, refrigerate for 2 to 4 hours. Heat coconut oil in a pan over medium heat. Place the fish gently into the pan. Flip carefully and cook the other side. Once both sides are beautifully crisp, remove the fish and let it rest for 1 minute. Add garlic cloves and curry leaves, stir for extra aroma. Serve hot with lemon wedges, sliced onions or steamed rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know in the comments how your fish fry turned out. Thanks for watching.